What are the basic definition screens and settings to be made for Elektraweb POS? There are several screens inside Elektraweb program that we should take into consideration before we enter our restaurant's meals and products and start using the POS system. First, we should make sure that the necessary settings are made under the Setup menu. For this, we should check the General Settings part of the default hotel settings. Here, the appropriate time zone and POS version should be selected. Next, we should check the default POS settings part and activate the related box next to the desired check, POS, and X report settings. It is of great importance to define the departments or F&B units that will be used in our property. In our current hotel, there are 2 restaurants, minibar, lobby bar, 1 pool, and 1 beach bar. For each of these units, we should make sure to create separate department record. In order to have these departments displayed in the POS screen, we should make sure that F&B is selected as the department process type and that boxes are ticked next to the mobile POS active and guest or digital POS active. If mobile POS is activated, it will be displayed in this part of the POS system upon login. Guest or digital POS active should be activated in case we wish to use package ordering option for the sales and delivery outside our restaurant property, but also inside the property by scanning the QR code in places that are left throughout our property. Besides different restaurant unit departments, we should also make sure that this mobile POS active box is checked for the cash and related credit card departments. In this way, these 2 modes of payments will be displayed inside the POS system. Besides credit card or cash, we may add other forms of payment such as wire, ticket payment, etc. Again, for each of these payment collections to be displayed and used in the POS system, we should define the related department, select the corresponding processing type, and tick the mobile POS active box. For accessing the POS system, we either use the related icon in the upper toolbar or we'll go directly to pos.elektraweb.com address. In this first screen, we should make entry with the password that will be common for all the POS users. This password is defined under the User Definition segment. We should enter the username and password and make sure that we have selected POS app as the main role. In this way, we will make sure that POS users will have only access to this module of the Elektraweb system. Then the second login screen will come out, where each specific POS user will enter their password. In order to define specific POS system users, we should make necessary settings on the POS module and definitions part. The first step is to define related staff group and assign each of the POS user with the specific role and authorization. On the staff group, we define the type of users in our restaurant or F&B units such as chef, waiter, cashier, and similar. Next, under cashier and waiter definitions, we can add new users. First, we should enter user name, define the password, and assign him or her with the related role. When needed, we can make this user passive or give him or her a manager authorizations. This may be used for those users to whom we wish to allow broader authorization, such as to see reports, assign the waiters to the specific tables, etc. On the left part of the screen, we can select the specific department and the F&B units where this user operates. He/she will be able to see only these departments. If we leave this space blank, then automatically this user will be able to access all the F&B departments in our property. Once we have saved this entry, we will notice that the password is hidden for data protection purposes. In case user has forgotten his/her password, it will have to be changed from this field. From this screen, we may see the users listed based on the departments they are assigned to. Tables inside our restaurants and other F&B units are defined under Table Definition segment. Besides tables, we can also define the room numbers, since with this system, user can leave the special QR code inside the room and offer the guest the opportunity to make orders through digital menu. Under the Print button, we may find several QR code design options to select from. It is also possible to define the table group such as terrace, main or back area so that the waiters can have the better overview of the tables while using the POS system. Finally, from Table Group Printer, it is possible to add additional printers to the master one. This is used in situations when we have big restaurants and we may have printers indoor or at the terrace or garden. Then we can select and set the related printer for the specific table. Under line operation reasons, we can define the default reasons to be displayed when canceling the product or when we register it as a gift, loss, free item, etc. There is also possibility to manually enter the specific reason for performing these operations, but with the predefined reasons, better reporting options and tracking can be obtained. In the POS staff group configuration part, we can see the detailed list of the authorizations that we will give it to each member of the F&B staff. First, we should select the desired staff group and tick the box next to the desired operation for which we wish to authorize him or her. On the left part are check-related authorization parameters, while on the right there are menu-related ones, which refer to this part of the POS screen. Similar configurations can be made to the related F&B department. For example, we can make the settings based on whether this is the department with table order or without, based on the type of payments options are allowed for this specific department, etc. Once these basic settings are made, we can proceed with further definitions and use of the POS system.